Hello, mathematicians. Welcome back. Hope you had a wonderful weekend and you're ready to do some math work. Up at the top of announcements, you see I've posted my office hours, and the virtual classroom link is located right there. If you go into the agenda, it's the first thing that's populating your materials. So we talk about what we're getting into. The learning target is going to be to find the surface area of rectangular prisms, including cubes. This video right here gives us a wonderful technique in order to find the surface area of a rectangular prism. However, if that video wasn't quite enough, you can go down and start with the Pearson Realize playlist. The Pearson Realize playlist will be housed on pearsonrealize.com. I know I'll tell you it's Savas when you get to it, but that's okay. It's still just Pearson Realize. I've set up a playlist for you. Under that playlist, there's a virtual nerd video to help explain some more, and example 1 to explain it even more. So, use all those resources. What I really want you to do also, in addition to the practice problems that are labeled review, is the 3-act math. I want you to at least watch Act 1. If you like, you can also check out Act 2. Act 3 will become available to you on Friday. So, before Friday arrives, I want you to do this other assignment called the discussion using Flipgrid. Now, Flipgrid is an app that you use your Microsoft credentials to log into. You will come over here. All you have to do is click on this link. It will take you to Flipgrid. You will click on Login with Microsoft. I will use my Microsoft account to log in. And then what you come to is math. So the topic we are working on is 3-act math rectangular prisms. So you watch first 1 or 2 acts of 3-act math. Then all I want you to do is answer one of these 4 questions. You can answer all 4. But it might be a little challenging. You have, I think, maybe about a minute to answer it. You can watch my video. My video will tell you a little bit how to go on it.
Hi, mathematicians. By this point, you should have watched this setup. You don't have to show yourself. You can do things like hide your face.
Basically, my video shows you can do little tricks. You can doctor up your video. You can kind of customize it, make your own. Now, in order to post your video, you'll go down to this plus sign. And when you hit the plus sign, you get set up to record your own video. That video will be, you can edit it with all these are your filters, text, stickers, drawing, board, and photo stickers. Now, I think this could be a really fun assignment. I hope you all take good advantage of it. I really want to see some wonderful videos of you all just having a fun time talking about the ideas posted in 3-act math. So, if you need a little more assistance, we're going to continue. Prodigy has new assignments regarding surface area. Khan Academy. This link will take you to the Khan Academy resources in regards to surface area. And if you want, if you want to do some practice problems, you can go on IXL. I posted the 6th grade stuff. If you're finding the 7th grade materials a little challenge, feel free to do these 6th grade standards. And if you feel confident, do the 7th grade ones. Then come join us on the Teams meeting on the virtual office hours. Tuesday, it will be just me and you all. And we will talk about the problems, what's most challenging about it, what you need help with. We can talk about last week's material. And then Wednesday and Thursday, I will co-host with Miss Miller. And we usually take turns going through example problems, checking in with folks. And when we have time, usually we try to save a Kahoot for Thursday. So I hope you found this informative. If you have any questions, always feel free to message me using Schoology or email me at dtedwards@seattleschools.org. I look forward to seeing your progress, and if you want some personalized feedback, feel free to reach out. I would really love to just chat and help you work through these things. Thank you. Bye.